Isa, Shibung Singh, Shibung Rubo, Shibung Gesing Rana, Eopo, Gansal Bona, Asa Raja Juk Sale to sing. Isa lockdown prop for Amazon today. You're a good. I give you all that. In Jiba. Don't you keep along all day.下期的信息多能说明是我的事，全部把老的接过去。俺这是家看哪数了，还叫多钱买完了，哪个把等一些些哇，多少不是说吃的，让他们把弄过去。啊，这来的去，什么说的阿拉那的还那里娃娃，哪个把不是说吃的，没个米还把弄吧，去了。你知道他这个说。哈拉拉起来，没个米的汉巴弄吧。今日不是那拿吃我苦的我，继续动林边。阿说要我吃那张东西，但是我下个些。阿说要我就需要吃啥拉下子了不？六万日我就阿许了我下个些。你知道下个就哈拉拉旅行那里的说，阿这旅行家那我也进那个吧，我说等一些些我让他汉巴弄吧。下个哈儿说新别新不过，你说，那些配的点没拉着不？人家是我说咋说？你说没正很热的，啊是我的，别人不懂你们，人家还得说的我，啊这些没个没办法弄吧。下个儿子上学娃子儿说哈哈，今儿不是那什么后期，有钱上的他说。他就上我说哈下个，他点儿看新可能学玩去做娃，他一个去上的他说。
哦，今天今天变了，哎，哦，今天先去吃了，哦，他里面了，嗨，梦个想偷，他里面了，偷梦个想。
今日不是那什么湖在一起，今兄这才能说是我的下呀，今日不是也给你下去，那就什么水。
梦个在上走，哦，今天下面去阿拉拉里面上偷，一斤多。那没得了这里。
他就哈，而那还做起啊，许多我那些外下个些。他上个那个阿学班了，专门名字旅行日，还这个你去去办的，结果，
一次人没讲的，
他这去年是的说，去年儿就用过干了大龙吧。阿说，儿女俺去旅那个松江那上市了多。上路看起梦醒的好了哇！阿这世界上头，还说出那个吧，就么呢？这个好哇，熬不来些哈，这没单的好玩呢。Today we will be covering this traditional water fish harvesting. This will be a significance of calling the rain. Now the preparation to start traditional fishing by using special roots of namely called liu or geogliu in Yimthor traditional language.
The main component of fishing is a herb or bark of a tree extracted from its roots, locally known as fruit, and also black carbonized solid smoke taken from the kitchen fireplace. Now the village folks start beating the roots of a tree to extract its juice that is believed to attack the nervous system of a fish, making it easier for humans to catch it. Unlike modern day fishing, which kills thousands of fishes by way of using chemical and battery, the use of our traditional fishing components only make the fish become unconscious momentarily, lasting only for a short period. Thereby, it does not wipe out the species of fish, nor does it pollute the entire river. In fact, the poison adds more days to the fish and there is no harm to humans. They beat and crush constantly with all efforts, making sure the water is no more crystal clear. It is a disaster for the fishes but happy for the villagers.
Water became poisonous, it will make the fish dizzy.
As the herbs are crushed and washed into the river, slowly the water turns dark and brown, filled with the juice of the bark, a fish poison.
The color of the river had already changed into muddy.
As the water turns brown, the villagers submerge their bodies into the river to catch fishes.
Hundreds and hundreds of villagers gathered for catching fish. Everybody trying to catch big, trying their luck. I hope I'll get the biggest one.
Old men, young men, women, and even children participate in this traditional community fishing.
No excuse for women also. All young men also are present here. Happy Prince.
Some catches with a fishing net, some with a short knife, some just with your hands, which requires skills, techniques, and luck.
Yeah, the juda you jada. Oh, good. Oh.